Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can check Instagram direct messages. This is a simple way. So, if you're first time using Instagram, you can check your Instagram direct message or DM by tap on this message icon at the top of your screen. So the icon same with the messenger because of Instagram and Facebook is meta first. So you can just tap message icon, and this is all the that I had. So you can check on your DM. Maybe you have a direct message, and also if you tap on request here, there is a hidden request here because of you turn on message request option here. So requests containing messages that may be offensive or unwanted or moved to this folder. So you can manage hidden words preferences in here also. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so the next button below. See you in the next video.